In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create text courses on Circle.so. This guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you can set up your own course with ease. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you need to access your Circle.so admin account. Go ahead and log into your Circle.so by entering your credentials. Once you're in, cast your eyes over to the left sidebar. Here you'll see an option labeled Spaces. This is your key to creating engaging and structured content for your course. Click on Spaces and then proceed to click Create Space. It's this space that will serve as the vessel for your course content. Next, you'll need to give your new space a name. This is where you get to be a bit creative. Enter a descriptive and catchy name for your space, something that encapsulates the essence of your course. Following this, select the space type. Since we're focusing on creating a course, choose Course from the available options. After you've done that, click Create. By doing this, you're laying the foundation for your course content, setting the stage for the educational journey your members are about to embark on. After your course space is all set up, click on it to enter. Now, it's time to populate it with your learning material. Within the course space, look for the option to Create Post Lesson. This is where you'll craft the individual lessons that make up your course. Once there, enter the title of your first lesson. This title should be clear and informative, something that offers a sneak peek into the lesson's content. Once that's in place, move on to typing your text content. This is the core of your lesson. If you have supplementary materials like PDFs or other files, you have the option to attach them to your lesson. Simply click Attach PDFs or files and then upload the document from your computer. This step, though optional, can greatly enhance the learning experience by providing additional resources for your students to explore. Once you're satisfied with your lesson content, click on Save Changes. This ensures that all your hard work is not lost and that your content is preserved. Repeat this process for each lesson you need to add to your course. This involves going back to the course space, creating a new post or lesson, entering the lesson title, typing the text content, attaching files if needed, and saving your changes. By following these steps, you're building a comprehensive and rich curriculum. If you feel the need to reorganize your lessons, you can do so very easily. Just click on Sort and Order Lessons within your space. Using drag and drop, you can rearrange your lessons in the order you want them to appear. After sorting them to your satisfaction, make sure to click Save. Finally, when you're ready for the world to see and learn from your course, click Publish. By doing so, you're making your course live and accessible for your members. Congratulations on setting up your text course on Circle.so.